Hello everybody, welcome to Bahubali Vidyapit, Bahubali. I am here with the new lesson, new topic. I am Soujay Gitaji ma'am, Assistant Teacher, Sri Vidyasagar High School Akiwat, Taluka Shiro, District Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn my English book Standard 5. Today we will discuss about the new grammatical topic, and the name of the topic is grammar related words. This is an important grammatical topic. It came in the wave diagram. Let's learn how to write related words as shown in the examples. But do you know what is meant by related words? Let's see. Related words. Let's see definition of the related words. Related words means belonging to the same family, groups, type, category, kind, part, or associated with the specified item or process, especially causally, means words that belong to one group often have related meaning. I will repeat this once again. Look at this. What is meant by related words? Related words means belonging to the same family, groups, type, category, kind, part, or associated with the specified item or process, especially causally, means words that belong to one group often have related meaning. Let's see more example of related words. The question in our question paper is write the related words as shown in the examples. Sometimes these related words are noun, sometimes adjective, sometimes adverbs, sometimes verbs. Let's see. First example of related words. Here is an wave diagram, and in this wave diagram there is given one word, one verb, read, and the answer or example is given loudly, means read loudly. Loudly, this is an related words belonging to read. Read loudly. Look at the word loudly. This is an adverb, means you have to write 3 adverbs in remaining part of the wave diagram. Means read loudly. Loudly, this is an loudly, this is the related words to the word read. Read loudly. So what is the answer of read? What is the answer of remaining part of the word read? Let's see. The answer is read slowly, read neatly, read carefully. Means the related words for read is read slowly, read neatly, read carefully, and read loudly. In this way, you have given some wave diagrams in your question paper, and you have to write related word for the given word. Let's see next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is listen. The answer is given carefully. The example is given carefully. Listen carefully. Carefully, this is an adverb. That's why you have to write adverbs in the remaining part of the column. Listen carefully. Tell me some more related word for the listen. Let's find out. And the answer is listen neatly, listen calmly, listen slowly, listen carefully. These are the related words for the word listen. Listen neatly, listen calmly, listen slowly, listen carefully. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given music and example is given loud. Loud, this is an adjective and that's why you have to write adjectives in the remaining column. The related words are adjective. First example is given here, loud. Next answer for the word music, the related words for the music, classical. This is an answer, classical music. Next, soft, soft music. Next, vocal, vocal music. And last one, loud, loud music. The related words for the music are classical, loud, vocal and soft. Classical music, loud music, vocal music and soft music. Next examples. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is work. This is an verb. The example is given neatly, means this is an adverb. Means you have to write more 2 examples of adverb for the related words work. What is the answer? The answer is work neatly, work quickly and work carefully. These are related words for the word work. Work neatly, work quickly and work carefully. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given poem and example is given beautiful. Means beautiful, this is an adjective. That's why you have to write more 3 examples of adjective. But it must be related to the word poem. Beautiful poem. In the same way, what is the answer for the word poem? The answer is nice poem, short poem, big poem. I will repeat this once again. Beautiful poem, nice poem, short poem, big poem. These are all an adjectives and these words are related to the word poem. Next example. School. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here, school. And one example is given here, student. Student, this is a noun. So you have to write more 3 nouns related to the word school. The answer is teacher. Next answer, headmaster. Next answer, clerk. Means these 4 words, teacher, headmaster, clerk, student, these words are related to the word school. That's why they are related words. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is Write. And one example is given here, slowly. Write slowly. Slowly, this is an adverb. Means you have to write more 3 examples of adverbs. So what is the answer? Let's see. Write quickly. Write carefully. Write neatly. Write slowly. So these are the related words to the word write. Write carefully, write neatly, write quickly and write slowly. Let's see more examples. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here, beautiful. An example is given here, girl, beautiful girl. You have to write more noun for the word beautiful. Beautiful, this is an adjective, and girl, this is a noun. You have to write more noun for the word beautiful. Beautiful girl. Answer is beautiful flower, beautiful place, beautiful temple. The words, related words for the word beautiful is flower, place, girl, temple. Beautiful flower, beautiful place, beautiful girl, beautiful temple. Let's see next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here, lazy. And one example is given here, girl. Girl, noun. Lazy, girl. Write the related words given to word lazy. Lazy, this is an adjective. Write down the nouns related to the word lazy. Answer is lazy boy, lazy man, lazy woman, lazy student, lazy girl. The related words for the word lazy are girl, boy, man, woman, student. Lazy girl, lazy boy, lazy man, lazy woman, lazy student. Let's see more examples. Write the related words as shown in the example. Wild animals. The example is given here, zebra. Means you have to write the words related with wild animals. One example is given here. Name of the animal is zebra. Means in the same way you have to write some names of wild animals in the remaining columns. What is the answer? Wild animals, lion, elephant, tiger and zebra. Means lion, elephant, tiger, zebra. These are related words to wild animals. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here, good. And the answer is given here, student. Student, this is a noun. Good, this is an adjective. Good student means you have to write down more noun for the word good. The answer is good boy, good girl, good sister, good student. Boy, girl, sister, student. These are related words to the word good. Good boy, good girl, good sister, good students. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here student. Answer is given here sharp. Student is noun and sharp is an adjective. Means you have to write more 3 adjectives in the remaining columns. Related word for the word student is sharp. Answer is clever student. Good student. Lazy student. And sharp student. Clever student, good student, lazy student and sharp student. These are related words for the word student. Let's see next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here tree and one example is given here flower. Flower is related word for the word tree. Write more related words belonging to tree. Answer is branches, leaves and flower. The related word for the tree, leaves, flower and branches. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here body and answer is given here head. Means you have to write the words which are related to the word body. One example is given here head. Write down the related words. The answer is eyes, ears, neck, nose and head. These are related words to the word body. Head, eyes, ears, neck and nose. These are the related words to the word body. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here shapes and the answer is given here circle. Means you have to write the related words to the word shapes. Circle. What is the remaining answer? Let's see. Shapes. Which are shapes? First is given here circle, next rectangle, next square and last one triangle. Shapes are circle, rectangle, square, triangle. These are related words to the word shapes. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here cricket and the answer is given here bat. Means you have to write the related words to the word cricket. All of you know that. What is the answer? It is very simple answer. Cricket, bat, ball, wicket and stump. Bat, ball, wicket, stump. These are related words to the word cricket. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here birds. Answer is given here crow. Means you have to write down some names of birds in the remaining columns. Do you know names of birds? Let's write down. The name of the birds are peacock, parrot and sparrow, and last one crow. The related words to the word birds are peacock, parrot, sparrow and crow. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here fruits and the answer is given here apple. Means you have to write down some names of fruits in the remaining column. You have to write the related words belonging to the word fruits. First is answer apple, next banana, grapes, mango, fig. These are related words to the word fruits. I will repeat this once again. The words related to the word fruits are apple, banana, grapes, mango and fig. Let's see next examples. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here water and answer is given here dirty. Dirty, this is an adjective. Means you have to write down adjectives in the remaining columns. How is the water? Water is dirty. What is the remaining answer? Let's see. Water, dirty, clean, cool and hot. Dirty water, clean water, cool water, hot water. The related words to the water are clean, cool, hot and dirty. Let's see next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here walk. The answer is given here speedily. Walk speedily. Speedily, this is an adverb. Means you have to write more 3 adverbs in the remaining 3 columns. But they must be related to the word walk. The answer is walk fast. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here run. The answer is given here slowly. Run slowly. Slowly, this is an adverb. Means you have to write down more 3 examples of adverb in the remaining columns. Run slowly. Write down 3 more adverbs in the remaining columns. But they must be related to the word run. Let's see the answer. Write the related words as shown in the example. Here the word is given draw and the answer is given nicely. Remaining 3 columns are blank. You have to write down the adverbs because the word is given here nicely. Nicely, this is an adverb and this word is related to the word draw. Draw nicely. In the same way, you have to write down the remaining columns. Take your notebooks. Take out your notebooks. Write down these words in your notebook. Draw this wave diagram. Draw these 5 columns. In the center, write down the word draw. Write down the first answer nicely. After that, you have to write down the answer of your own. Draw nicely. Will you tell me what is the answer? Draw nicely. Draw neatly. Draw carefully. Write down the remaining column of your own. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. Look the word in the middle box. The word is speak. This is an verb. Answer is given here slowly. Speak slowly. Slowly, this is an adverb. Means you have to write down more 3 adverbs in your notebook. First, write down the word speak in your notebook. Then, draw this wave diagram in your notebook. Write down the word speak. Write down the first answer slowly. Speak slowly. After that, you have to write down the answer for this. So, what are the related words for the word speak? Write down the answer in your notebook. Speak slowly in the same way. Speak neatly. Speak loudly. Speak carefully. These are the related words you have to write down in your notebook. Solve this example of your own. Next example. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given here bird. And the first answer is given here feather. Means these are body parts of the word bird. Means you have to write down other parts of the bird, other body parts of the bird in your notebook. First, draw this wave diagram in your notebook. In the center, write down the word bird. Write down the first answer feather. Then solve this question of your own. What is the answer? Bird, feather, bird, wings, bird, beak. And solve the last examples of your own. Exercise. Write down these words in your notebook and write down more examples of your own. Write these words in your notebook and write down more examples of your own. Solve these examples in your notebook. Thank you very much for your creation and guidance. So, Jayashree Gita J, C. Vidyasagar High School, Akiwad. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Keep watching.